Hi, seventh grade. How are you? I miss you guys. I miss seeing your faces every other day. Miss Pyatt here. Just wanted to make a quick video to go over some ways that you can still connect with me while we are 100% virtual learning, and also to talk just a minute about how we can manage our stress during this stressful time. So, reminder, this is in my weekly newsletter every week, but I am literally just a click or phone call or an email away. Here are the best ways to speak with me. You can follow me on Instagram on my school counselor Instagram account and send me a message. You can call or email me. My information's right there. You can fill out the Google form to fill out a request to speak with me. Or every day between 1 and 2, I have open office hours. Office hours are basically when I'm on Zoom with time available and set aside to speak with students. So if you have questions, concerns, worry, just feeling lonely and want to stop in and say hi, you can press on that Zoom link and I will let you in. So those are the best ways to connect with me while we are 100% virtual. I also wanted to take a few minutes because I'm feeling stressed, and I'm sure you guys are too. This first week of virtual learning has once again been a learning experience for all of us as far as making sure we are in our classes at our right times and knowing how to take attendance. So, wanted to make sure that we're managing the stress. So, this is a stressful time. Even if you're not feeling much stress or even feeling less stress, you may be surrounded by stress at home. Your parents or your guardians, your siblings may be feeling stressed. They may be fighting more. You may be fighting with them more. You may be feeling irritable. But this time, when we've gone back 100% virtual, means that we're missing out on things that we would normally look forward to at school in December. And also, it limits our interactions that we have with other people and friends. Um, so all of these things are normal, and missing out on some of these things also contributes to our stress. So I wanted to this week point out 4 things, and I know we've talked about these before, but these are really important to you managing that stress while you're at home. So the biggest one is sleep. I know I've said this to most of you several times, but during your teenage years, this is the time when your brain is growing the most after being an infant. So most of you love to stay up all night and play games and things like that. But sleep is really important, and we don't get enough of it. And you guys in particular probably need about 9 or more hours of sleep. Nutrition. I know you guys love your Takis, but that doesn't include all of the important food groups. So make sure that you are eating healthy foods, including fruits and vegetables, getting protein with meat. If for some reason food is a problem at home, please let me know, and I can make sure your family is connected to the right places to make sure you get access to that healthy food. Make sure you have exercise. So this is hard for all of us. Make sure that you are going out and taking a walk, getting an exercise, getting exercise, doing a YouTube video, something like that where you're moving your body and getting your heart rate up. Then the next thing is relaxing. So making sure you have some time to unwind, de-stress. Part of that is putting your cell phone down, guys. So making sure at the end of the day you're unplugging and maybe reading a book or journaling for a few minutes so that you have time to get ready and turn your brain off and sleep. So the most important thing to realize in the middle of the pandemic is there are a lot of things that are out of our control. So there are things, however, that you can control. What do you think some of these things might be? I think part of that is maybe going to classes, submitting your attendance on Canvas. These are things that you can do that would reduce stress, right? So fewer phone calls from me or the school if you've submitted your attendance, right? So the important thing is knowing that COVID is not within our control right now. Staying home and being 100% virtual is out of our control. Those are decisions we cannot make. But you can also control some things in your environment, including how you do your schoolwork. So if there's anything I can do to help we will continue our conversations about taking care of yourself over the next couple of weeks. See you guys soon.